is again GameStop going up 2% today, adding up on the pullback that we did yesterday, and AMC bouncing right around our support that we discussed yesterday, $1.77. So let us dive deeper and discuss the price action for June and tomorrow, Friday. Before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And as a reminder again, STI was the main trade that we did today, 600%, guys. And we catch this one early on in the pre-market before the market open on our Discord and Patreon, where we discussed the price. We said the $15. We were around the $15, and after a few hours, did 150% more, around 38 or almost $40, and now it's pulling back down. Of course, we're gonna discuss it later and update the short for it on our Discord. If you're wondering, the link in description below to our video and Discord. For now, let us discuss what's going on with GameStop, because finally we have a reaction for the market maker, buying the dip again around. Yes, around the 22 this time. Yes, we got a really good buyer after the earnings, because we got a really good earnings for Beyond Meat for GameStop. Now we need to hold the 22, break the 23.69 this time, guys. We need to hold over this level. Why? Because as you see here, this huge wick where the short seller added their position. So they will cover once we break over the 23.70, and of course the 26 will be the Armageddon, or the level where the short seller have to cover up for GameStop, and then we might have the $30. For AMC, on the other hand, the good thing for AMC is holding over the $1.77. This level is really critical. Why? Because this is where we broke last time, and of course, this is where we're gonna confirm the strength of the buyers, because we don't want to go toward the 148. Yes, it's still good. We're still doing higher lows, but the 177 will be easier for us to make the short seller to squeeze around the $2.45 level, because we got near last time around the 2.22. The pullback is called the redirection or correction to around the 177. So as long as we hold today, will be really great for a squeeze toward the $3 and the $4 at the end of this month, or of course the next week for AMC. And of course, we're gonna discuss both of them tomorrow before the market open, as usual, 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime,